catching up with a few bits and bobs. Right, I'm just going to unbox this. Oh, thank you. I'm just going to unbox this parcel, which has come for Ben's Beanies. So, no idea what's in it, no idea who it's from. If you're not sure what Ben's Beanies is, or Ben's Beanies 5-card challenges, I'll link them below. It's a charity fundraiser. You don't have to give any money. We ask you to donate items that we can then, that are handcrafted, that we can then sell to raise money. So the two charities we're supporting this year in memory of Ben, my nephew, are the British Liver Trust and Cardiff City Hospice. So I'll link those below as well. I'll also link the Just Giving account below in case you do want to give. It's actually a Virgin Money giving. And also, if you're in the Cardiff area or near Cardiff, we've got a fantastic craft along event happening on the 8th of November, and I'll post details to that below as well. So let's have a look. So the 5-card challenge is a challenge to make 5 cards, one each, to represent the lives Ben's organ donations saved. And there can be any cards, any size or shape, Christmas, any occasion cards, with envelopes, without envelopes. We can sort envelopes out, in cello bags, not in cello bags, we can sort those out as well. And we've had an enormous response from the crafting community. Oh my goodness, these are going to be gorgeous, aren't they? We've had an enormous response from the crafting community already, and it's just, oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Let me just read this. These are from the lovely Jane Allmark, who has, I'll link her blog below, Amethyst Star Crafting. As you'll see from these cards, Jane is a particularly talented lady when it comes to creativity. So yeah, a lot of card makers make a lot of demonstration, do a lot of demonstration on YouTube and on their blogs, and make cards for challenges and things like that, and they might not have a specific purpose for them, so you can end up building up quite a little stock of cards that you can pull on to send out to people on any occasion. But you can also donate them to charity. A lot of people donate them to charities, and that's what Jane's done here. She's donated cards that she had already made to demonstrate things or to enter challenges and things. So thank you so much, Jane. Look at this gorgeous one. This is a lovely sort of autumnal one. I know the trees are green, but it's got a lovely like fallen leaf. It's really pretty. Look at that. And that little bit of twine. I get so much inspiration from these as well. I love that. And then it's been stamped on, and then inked, and then it's been cut out so that you get this lovely effect. A thank you card. That's gorgeous. I love that. It's all glittery. Can you see? It's beautiful. It's a very elegant card, that. Gorgeous. And I love the way she's used the circle cut to really highlight the rose. It's beautiful. Oh, look at that. My world is brighter and more beautiful because of you. I thank you for your part in my journey. What a lovely card to send to a friend or a relative. It's absolutely beautiful. I love that. These are all hand inked. Oh, this is a cute one. That's a lovely one. That's a happy birthday card to send to somebody. Oh, that's really cute. These are like little fireflies. So cute. Love that. Oh, this is a lovely daisy punch one. This was, oh gosh, one of my favourite punches. And I love the way she's done the field of flowers. So cute. Another happy birthday one. Oh, these are really cute, these little birds. Little tiny little hearts cut out. And the balloon, that's relief. Cute. Today's all about you. How pretty is that? Sometimes cards can be really simple and yet just so pretty. Or they look simple and they're not, because a lot of work goes into them. For my little squeak heart. Oh, that's so cute. Look at this one. That is absolutely stunning. May your birthday be bright and beautiful. I absolutely love that one. Look at that. The pastel coloured rainbow is beautiful. Oh, this one's all foiled. It's gorgeous. I love the mixed metals on that. Really pretty. Happy birthday. Oh, this would be a nice one for a man as well. Sometimes you can struggle to make male themed cards. That's beautiful. There's another one. Oh, look at that one with the little hedgehog. I think she made the hedgehog out of a sunflower stamp. Really creative. It's beautiful. Ribbon's gorgeous on that as well. Oh, look at this. So pretty. I just love these pinks. Absolutely beautiful. And I love the way she's done the flower. And this is gorgeous. It's from Lots of Lavender. I love the way she's done the the colour washing in the background. It's lovely. Oh gosh, look at this little teddy bear. You make me smile. So cute. Again, lovely way she's done the inking in the background. And the washi tape as well. These are my favourite colours, I think. I think from they're just lovely, and I love. Do you know what? I never really know what to do with these sort of just abstract-y kind of stamps. I've got this set. I love that. That is so pretty. That is really lovely. I love that. Oh, so cute. Gosh, that would go really well with somebody. You know, if somebody's got a really neutral decor, look really lovely. I do think of these things. Oh, that's really pretty. Again, really simple, but really pretty. And not as simple as it looks. Oh, that's a cute one. I've got this set and I hardly ever use it. I need to use it. I wanted it for ages, and when I got it, I never used it. I love this. I love how she's used the papers to give the feel of grass. It's lovely. She's so clever. There's more of the heather one. That's gorgeous. She's really good at using embellishments. I never know what to do with them. I buy them and they just go in a drawer. That's so gorgeous as well. I think that's all hand stamped, that background there. You can't have a rainbow without a little rain. That's nice. Little. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love that. It's really unusual. I've not seen one like that before. Oh, a little Christmas one. That's pretty. Yeah, I like that. And your kindness means so much more than you'll ever know. That's so pretty. It's got glitter on as well. Absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much, Jane. Oops. Thank you so much for those. We are going to have a little giveaway. So I'm going to do a draw for everybody who sends us cards. I'm going to put their name into a hat, and I'm going to do a giveaway of some paper craft materials. But you'll get to choose your paper craft materials yourself. So it will be whoever we draw out of the hat will get to choose a voucher for an outlet of their choice. So it could be Craft Stash, it could be Evercrafts a Pound, it could be The Works, it could be Stampin' Up, it could be anywhere they want to choose the voucher for. And the value of the voucher will be revealed closer to the time. But it's going to be a nice little thank you from us, and we don't fund prizes from our from money that's raised for charities. That all goes to charities. We donate money ourselves to cover the costs of prizes and gifts and administration and postage and things like that. So don't think any of that comes out of money we raise, because it doesn't. So thank you so much, Jane. We'll get those. I've got a pile of envelopes waiting. I've had a bit of a clear out of my stash over recent times, and I didn't throw away any envelopes or sell any envelopes. and I've popped all my envelopes into size order, so I know I've got a stack ready and cello bags that these will go straight into. So thank you so much, and we really appreciate it. I know Karen will love these when she gets up and has a look at them. It's still very early in the morning, so she's still asleep. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Oh, before I go, can I just show you a card I got this week? Sometimes I like to show the cards that I get. This is an absolutely stunning card. This one's from Catherine, and it's come all the way from Canada. And this is one that she sent to me, sending some of the beautiful colours of autumn in Canada over to the UK. How gorgeous is that? And that's from a RAC group that I belong to, Random Act of Kindness group, which I'll also link below if you want to come and join that. And we send each other, just randomly send somebody on the list a card just to say we're thinking of them, or just say hi. Okay, so thank you so much for that, Catherine, and I will be putting that thank you on the RAC group later. I do like to show, when I've got cards to hand, I do like to sort of show them and say thank you, because they're inspiring. Look how gorgeous that is. Yeah, they inspire people to give crafting a go. So thank you so much, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.